What's up guys, my name is Janine and thank you so much for visiting my channel and watching this video. For today, I will be making a Mother's Day arrangement for not only my mom, but my sister who's a new mom. Now by the time I even post this video, Mother's Day will have passed, so it is late. I apologize for that. But I figured I might as well share with you guys what I ended up making for my mom and my sister and my future mother-in-law. Oh shoot, I forgot my ring. But I'm gonna see my mother-in-law tomorrow and I'm gonna see my mom and my sister today. So I'm gonna make theirs actually, I'm gonna see them in like less than an hour, so I have to hurry up. So I'm gonna make theirs right now and I'm gonna keep my mother-in-law's arrangement in a vase for now to make sure it's as fresh as possible before I put it in Oasis. So yeah, let's get right to it. If you're like me, when you watch these, somewhat tutorial videos, go ahead and 2x this one, 1.75, 1.5, whatever you're comfortable with, because I do that, so I won't take offense to it. I don't care. I appreciate you guys even coming to watch this video. Thank you so much. And yeah. How much is Mother's Day bouquets cost? These arrangements, they ain't cheap. So let's get started. So I already soaked my Oasis foam overnight actually in water just to make sure it's as moist as possible. I got all of my material. I would normally say downtown LA at the flower market, but I didn't have a chance to go there. So I actually got all of my material at Boulevard Florist in Lawndale. It's on Hawthorne. If you're in the South Bay and you don't have time to drive all the way to downtown LA, I highly suggest it. They have basically a mini flower mart selection, as if it was one of the vendors. They have a great selection. I love all their flowers. I think they're beautiful. They also have designers there that if you want them to make an arrangement, it's an extra $10, I believe, for them to make an arrangement. But they're fairly priced. But I decided I would make my own arrangement. So these boxes, like I said, I got at Boulevard Florist. I think they're really cute. They have the metal in the front, kind of this distressed wood. This was $12.50 or $12.25, which is kind of close to the price of getting something arranged. And this is smaller one is $8.50. So like I said, pretty close to how much it would cost to get it arranged. And I figured I might as well arrange it myself. I feel like that's more special. It's more fun for me too. But all in all, for an arrangement for my mom, an arrangement for my sister, and an arrangement for my mother-in-law, it came to $160. Think about it. That is a good deal. Think about how much these Mother's Day bouquets cost, these arrangements. They ain't cheap, okay? They had an arrangement there. It was cute. It was cute. But it just, it's like you want to do something really, really nice for your mom. I want to do something nice for my sister, my future mother-in-law. And the $60 one, it ain't going to look like this. I'll just say that, okay? It was cute, but this would probably be priced at maybe 80, maybe 100. Anyway, that's enough talking. Let's get the snipping. Let's get the arranging. Okay, so for my flowers, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know the names of some of these flowers. I know that I got parrot tulips, spray roses, some type of eucalyptus. I'm not sure it's a different type of eucalyptus. But for most of the flowers, I actually don't know the names. But for the theme of my flowers, I feel like when I think of Mother's Day, I think of a spring type holiday. So I was thinking maybe this would be a spring arrangement, and honestly, because it's Mother's Day, I went yesterday to Boulevard Florist. It was slim pickings. So I had to work with what I got, but I got a lot of great stuff. And I definitely got my spring arrangement ingredients to put it together. So yeah, so let's get this snipping. We're gonna start on my mom's box. I don't got that much time. So let's do this. Let's do this. Is that how high I want it? Maybe that. Yeah, I like that. Do I like that? No. Girl, calm down. Can you imagine this high? It's not even in frame. That's good. That's probably better. That makes more sense. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So we'll do that. Making sure I cut at an angle. Also, I got my floral shears, FYI. And make sure when you guys get the box, at whether it's Boulevard or anywhere, that it can either has a plastic liner or it can retain water. Cause you know that wouldn't be good. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Ooh, cute. All right, and we're off. Keep it going. I hope you guys are having an amazing Mother's Day, by the way. Let's celebrate our moms. I cry if I talk about my mom. I love my mom so much. She's amazing. She's not only my mother, but she's my friend. I feel like I can come to her for advice. She's so funny. Okay, the thing about Oasis, once you make that mark, it's kind of like leather. Like, that's your mark, you know? I have used Oasis before, though. Don't do that, but I have done it. You're gonna have to go in this way. This looks good. Okay, we got the white. Oh, broke. Oh, broke. Oh my God! One broke. No. What you got going on then after oh, damn. You have to put you in the front. You got to do something. And I like to use all these like blooms I haven't opened up. I don't know if you can see that. As like filler later. What was I doing? Oh yeah. The roses. And roses, right. Okay. But do I want to do the tulips? I don't even know. Yeah. So I'm going to put my tulips next, actually. I changed my mind. So tulips next. And these are, as you can see, they're drooping a little bit. That's how they naturally hang. But these stand up. So I wonder if I should do these next. And these will help kind of support it. You know what I mean? So we'll do that. I did parrot tulips. I think they're so pretty. I'm going to just mix in the colors. Look at this tulip. This tulip, I don't even know if you can see it, but its leaves have like a white edge to it. It's so pretty. So pretty. I know it might not look much now because they're a little droopy looking. They naturally hang like that. But don't worry, spray roses to the rescue. Since they stand up so much, keep in mind I'm not a florist. I used to work at a florist shop in high school for like a few months. Damn. I did not dethorn these. My senior year in high school. But I love arranging flowers. I have fun with it and I learn as I go. There's a method to this madness. Let's come together, you guys. Like, I wasn't ready. Spring. Yes, spring. I had a little bit of eucalyptus, but I really don't need much. So the thing is, when I do arrangements, I like to use not too many greens, but I grab it anyways just because it's like by default, you know, you probably need greens. Most is a good one. Nice and sparse. But I like to use the greens that the flowers provide already, and like filler flowers, because filler flowers, some of them have green color in it, so it kind of looks like greens, but not. But I always grab it just in case, because you never know. You never know if it's like kind of sparse looking in certain areas and you need these as a filler. I don't know why I did this. Well, you know what? I gotta add it in the back. That's right. I forgot. Don't forget the back. Even if no one's gonna see it. So yeah, these greens came in handy. At first I thought I wasn't gonna use much, and I was like, dang, I bought 2 bunches, what a waste. Haven't sent training really worked. Oh, let me do the big reveal. Big reveal. This is my mom's bouquet. What are we thinking? Or I should say arrangement. What are we thinking? What are we feeling? Do we like it? Is it good enough? I freaking love it. I'm pretty happy. Yeah, I think it's great. It gives me that spring feeling. And yeah, I better hurry up because I gotta make my sister's now. So, moving on. I'm gonna put some water in this. Okay, gotta make my sister's arrangement. I have 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay. If it's not like dead, you can use it. I just finished my sister's bouquet. Here is the final product. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like it. Like I said, basically every arrangement came to a little bit over $50 each. So a total, my total bill from Boulevard Florist was $160, but yeah, divided by 3. You do the math. Anyway, and I will show you a clip of the final product right now. big mama arrangement and the baby mama arrangement. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a great Mother's Day. Definitely show the moms in your life and your mothers some love. They give the world to their children and their families, and they definitely deserve the world back. This is just a token of my appreciation to show to my mom and my sister, who's such an amazing mom, to my nephew. I hope you guys like my amateur arrangements. Thank you guys so much for watching again. And if you guys want to see more of me and my videos, please click that subscribe button. I hope to see you guys again. And yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, these are so cute. I feel like I'm in a spring dream garden. Look how gorgeous this is. Ugh. Yes. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, cool. I'll just take one like that. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, cool.